Welcome to Edumatica, a one-of-its-kind platform for coaching academies and institutions. To sign up, enter your mobile number, enter account type as coaching class. If you are an individual tutor, select tutor. Sign up using a 6-digit OTP that will be sent to your phone. Save your password and create your institute or tutor profile by filling up all the details and uploading the required documents. Your dashboard is ready for use. Tutor. If you are an institute and have multiple tutors, then click on the tutor and select Add Tutor. Enter all tutor details and click on Add. All tutor details will be displayed on the right. Check and click on Save. This ensures that the tutor is enrolled. Once done, the tutor details will be available on the individual tutor page. You can also use the bulk upload button to upload multiple tutor details at the same time. All the added tutors will get notifications. Student. To add students to your institution, click on Students on the side navigation bar and select Add Student. The student details page will open up. Fill in all the details and press Add. Once you add, the student name and phone number will be displayed on the right side under the Enrolled Students tab. Use the bulk upload button to add multiple student details at the same time. Click Save. All the added students will receive notifications that they can use to log in. The student will be enrolled and the student's name will be displayed on the student's page. Batches. Once tutors and students are enrolled, you can create batches. Select Create Batch. Select the course and the tutor and enter the batch name. Fill in the batch's start and end date. Select the students you want to enroll for that particular batch from the names displayed on the right side of the page. Click Save and the batch will be created. A list of all batches is displayed on the right side of the page. Schedule. Edumatica also lets you create a schedule that makes it easy for students and tutors to access classes and stay organized. To create a schedule, click on Schedule. Add Schedule and select the day and the tutor for whom the schedule has to be created. Select the batch name and session timings. Click on Add and the schedule will be displayed at the bottom of the page. Schedules will be automatically displayed on tutor and student dashboards and calendars. They will get notifications to join live classes. Students can join classes from their dashboard. Tutors can conduct the live classes for the scheduled batch by clicking Start. Tutors can share notes over the platform, chat with students, and conduct polls. Recorded classes can be viewed from the Meeting History menu. Content. To upload content, the tutor needs to click on the Add Content button. Edumatica allows the tutor to upload the syllabus, chapters, documents and videos for the student. Assessments. Edumatica goes a step ahead to help you access and create assessments too. Let's see how it's done. Tutors can create assessments and assign them to students and batches for evaluation. To create an assessment, provide the course, name of the assessment, assign marks, fix a duration and add any special instructions. Click on Next to open the question bank of the relevant course. Keep adding questions to create an assessment. Published assessments can be assigned to students. Once you have assigned the assessment, you can view its status on the assessment home page. Assignments. Edumatica lets you create and track assignments too. Select the course for which an assignment is to be created. Give name to the assignment. Allot total marks. Select a batch. Select students from a batch. Upload the assignment and select start and end dates. Click on the Save Draft button to save the assignment for further editing or click on Create Assignment to assign it to the selected students or batch. Announcements. Announcements are easy on Edumatica. Fill in the name and description. Select the batch intended for the announcement. Use the greater than icon to add more batches. Upload the file and your announcement is ready. Analytics. Edumatica lets you measure and analyze performance, assignment, and payments. Payments. Fee collection is easy on Edumatica. Simply click on Add. Select the batch and assign the course fee and discount. Click Create to create a fee structure. Now, with a few clicks, you can notify the student, download the invoice, and set your payment cycle. Receive your payments securely. Welcome to Edumatica, a one-of-its-kind platform for coaching academies and institutions.